soft drinks in UK. Tango. I didn't try it. Fanta. It's so good. It's so good. I don't know. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's for 5 news, whatever that means. That kind of. It's like classics. I put like a A. Just like why not? Great. I don't know about that one. But let's put it in like. We can put in D because actually don't know. Because don't know. Monster. No. Tango. Like I said, no. So Sprite. It's kind of has to go in like the classic ones. Still not the best ones. 7-Up. It's basically just 7. Basically just 7-Up. But both, yeah, because we're both 7-Up. I swear this drink was to make. I swear this drink was supposed to made. I swear to God, this drink was supposed to make to give you diabetes. But diabetes, like, no. D. Same with Prime. Where's Prime? There's no Prime in here. That's good because it would go in the worst one. It's supposed to give you diabetes. Lucasade. I haven't tried Lucasade yet. So I'm gonna put it in. Don't know. Capri Sun goes in like it's like a classic drink, but also goes so it goes in the B. Coca-Cola. Is it that cherry Coca-Cola? I think I tried it once and it's not that so good, so I'll just put it with next to Capri Sun. No. Cola? Which one is that? Zero sugar. No, I still put cola for like, like trying to make it more, safer. What's that? What in the world is that? What in Dr. Pepper? No. If I don't know right now, I'm just gonna put it in here. I don't like Dr. Pepper. Like, no. Coca-Cola. Yeah, that's gonna be like. Come on. I'll just put these here because like they're like the classics. Like, yeah. Don't know that one. So here, I'm gonna. Don't know that one. Don't know. Never knew that even existed. Nope. Is that Red Bull? No, it's not. Nope. Fanta, definitely the classics. Like, come on. They have to be like. They would have to be like the classic. Like the first one I ever tried was probably Coke, because like, damn, that is good. I actually tried that one. It's like, I would put it next to with Capri Sun. Why not? It's not good and it's not bad. Oh, Lucasade. How much praise out of Lucasade? Like Pepsi. I had tried that one. It's just like Coke. Just like it's a copy of Coke. I will put it next to. Yeah, and that should be good. Cause like, this one looks more basic. Like, I just don't know. So that counts if I. Pepsi Max. Don't know. I seen it, but I didn't taste it. Yeah. So that's right. I know it was a Sprite. But I don't know the Sprite as well. Great. Didn't have to try it down, so I'm just gonna put it in. Don't know, cause didn't try it yet. Don't know. Don't go like I said. Didn't try. According to my calculations, So there's 86 drinks that I don't know, never tried. 3 drinks in D, 3 drinks in B, 1 drink in A, and 6 drinks in C. So that's it for today. See you next game. Nere.